Recently, I posted a video on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL and tried it on the wireless charger on the 2022 Lexus NX and with a wireless charger that was replaced from the original. And with the replaced original, I was able to charge the iPhone 14 Pro, the 15 Pro Max, and unfortunately, I was not able to charge with the Pixel 8 Pro with a case and the 9 Pro with a case. So I'm still waiting for another case to come, and I'm going to try again and see if the 9 Pro will be able to charge or not. But at this point, the 9 Pro does not charge with a case, and without a case, it moves around, so it doesn't really work well. So today we have the Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max, and we're going to give it a try to see if we can actually charge or not with a case. Hey, it's LSFT here today, and today we're here to look at the iPhone 16 Pro Max to see if this works with this charger or not. So let's see, let's give it a try and see if it actually will charge or not, and I'm hoping it does. So let's put it down. So on the screen it actually did say charging stop, but then it seemed like it continued. So that's good news. It does look like it will charge properly. So let me now try and flip it around and see what happens as well. So it's at 76%. So absolutely, this works fine with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And again, let me come back with this. This is actually Spigen. It's another Spigen case. And it does say here air cushion technology. And also it does have the technology for the camera button. So definitely things will work properly. So you can see that I just pressed the button and this air cushion will actually work with the camera. So you can see it's touch sensitive, so I put some weight on it and it actually zooms in. So definitely it's working properly and it's MagSafe. Press to take a picture. Absolutely great. MagSafe and very good. So overall, I can confirm that this will work. And just with this charging that we've just did recently, let's see what the percentage is at this point. So the percentage is also 76. So probably still very slow, but at least it charges and it doesn't blink continuously. So if you're interested on the case that I was using, it's the Spigen case for iPhone 16 Pro Max. It can actually work for the 16 Pro as well. And it's called the Ultra Hybrid T MagFit design. And what that is that includes this touch sensitive camera button, so it actually protects it completely. If you look at the other ones that does not have the T in the hybrid, you would actually notice that it actually just cuts out the case and allows you to use the button directly. So there's no protection to the button at that point. It depends on if you're a person who uses a case or concerned about it, because this is a touch sensitive button, and if it's not covered, it actually will be probably working better. But then and a lot of case manufacturers probably just can't get a special material so that it can still become touch sensitive. So there we have it. Again, if you're interested in the case, I have the link in the description below for Amazon USA and Amazon Canada. So there we have it. The iPhone 16 Pro Max definitely works properly with the replacement of the wireless charger. So anybody who's actually got the replacement or actually has this version of the charger on the NX, it will work. There's nothing you have to worry about. So upgrading the phone is not a problem. But upgrading to the Pixel 9 Pro XL seems to be a little bit of an issue. So hopefully when I get my new case for my Pixel 9 Pro, I will update you guys and see if that one actually works better. I may just need a thinner case for that phone. I hope that you found that this video was informative, and until next video, drive safely. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment, like, share this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get notified when new videos are posted. And if you'd like to support this channel, you can provide me a super thanks. And until next time, cheers.